Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Wordscapes account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Wordscape account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Wordscape application. The home page of Wordscape application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the bottom left corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Save Your Progress option. On the next page, click on Sign in with Facebook. Tap on Sign in once again. It will connect you to your Facebook account. Click on Continue as, and that's how you'll be able to sign into your Wordscape account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.